In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task on Jira, a key skill for effective project management. Whether you're starting a new project or in the midst of an existing one, assigning tasks correctly ensures that every team member knows their responsibilities and timelines. It's a straightforward process, but getting the details right is important to avoid any confusion later. First, you'll want to navigate to the project you're currently working on. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything else you'll do in Jira. Being in the right project ensures that the task is relevant to your current objectives and that you're involving the right team members. Once you're in the proper project, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a menu bar. Click on Issues to proceed. This will open a list of all the issues associated with this project. Think of issues as tasks or items that need attention. They are the building blocks of your project workflow. Next, you'll need to locate the specific issue you want to assign. Skim through the list or use the search function to find this task. Opening the issue will display all its details and is your entry point for making any changes. As you delve into the issue's details, look for the assignee field. You'll typically find it on the right side, prominently shown amongst other key pieces of information like the issue's status and priority. It's designed to be easily accessible, highlighting the importance of knowing who is responsible for what. Now comes the part where you decide who to assign the task to. Start typing the name of the person into the assignee field. Jira simplifies this process by automatically suggesting a list of users based on what you type. This feature is incredibly useful, especially in large teams, as it minimizes the chance of incorrectly spelling names or selecting the wrong person. Once you see the correct user in the drop-down list, simply click on their name to select them. This action assigns the task to that team member. Make sure you've chosen the right person. You can verify their role in the project if necessary directly within Jira. Finally, to save these changes, click anywhere outside the field. This step makes your selection official, and the user you assigned will now be responsible for that task. You'll want to ensure this final step is done correctly so that everyone is informed and the project keeps moving smoothly. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully assigned a task in Jira. Easy, right? Remember that clear task assignments are the backbone of efficient project management. Keep this workflow in mind as you continue to organize and manage your projects, ensuring that each task is properly directed and completed on time. Thank you for watching, and happy task assigning.